In this video, we're going to be replacing the coolant overflow reservoir on this 2005 Honda Element. So underneath our hood, behind our radiator, in front of our power steering pump, you'll find your coolant overflow reservoir. It's going to be held in with one 10mm bolt right here. There's also going to be a hose running to it. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect this hose. Sometimes you can pull this straight off. Sometimes you can just unscrew this cap and take out this hose as well. For us, the hose came off, so we'll stop there. We'll just push this hose aside. All right, what we're going to do now is take out this 10mm bolt. Okay, not surprising. It actually broke. There is a lot of corrosion in here. We can lift our coolant reservoir up and out. It's going to be a tight fit right up front here. What you're going to want to do is just push towards the motor just to get it past this lip, and it should come up and out. There is a tab at the bottom that it was seating into. We're going to have to relocate that tab with the new one as we put it in. Okay, so we are going to drop in our new overflow tank. We're going to try and line up this bottom tab as we seat it into position. It's going to be a little difficult to see. Just do your best. Squeeze this down into there. Line it up. So our bolt broke off in there. We were able to punch out the back side. So what we're going to do is take a 10mm nut, shave down the sides so it fits in there. With our 10mm nut behind here, go ahead and thread in our bolt. Once we have that tightened up, we can spin our barb here and attach our overflow coolant line right to the overflow bottle barb. Just going to press that right into position, press it as far back as we can get it. Once that's done, we just want to give it a little wiggle, make sure it's in place, the bottom's not loose and didn't come out. If everything looks good, you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.